awe-inspiring, a beautiful mystery, almost magical. Those are the words often used to describe the feeling of success associated with the law of attraction. Have you felt that way before? Well, if you haven't, you shouldn't feel too bad. The law of attraction is pretty real and can be used every day. Did you know that some of the most successful people in our world have attributed part of their success to the law of attraction? What is this law of attraction? The law of attraction simply refers to your innermost thoughts and how it relates to situations around you. In other words, what you think more about is what you end up attracting in the long run. Pretty easy to understand, right? To master the law of attraction, the first thing you have to do is to know what you truly want. Therefore, take out time to reflect on all the things you truly desire. Perhaps you could even make a list. This could include anything. Don't be shy now. Write down all of it. Have you done that already? Cheers if you have! The next thing you have to do now is to really imagine that your dreams will come true. What is the best time to do this? Mornings are usually the go-to times for many reasons. One such reason is that it helps put things in perspective as you start your day. Remember that no matter how you imagine all day, none of these will work if you aren't staying positive. Thus, make sure that you think more positive thoughts with each passing day. You know negative thoughts never help. Most times it doesn't even end as bad as you thought it would. What is one way in which you can become more positive? Positive affirmations. Take out a few minutes each day to read quotes that motivate you and spur you on. This isn't a cue to become a motivational speaker, just enough to keep you in the right mood. It's also important to meditate and remember all you have done. Try to make a timeline to see how far you have come. Little by little, you will start applying these tips on a regular basis. The last thing, but surely not the least, would be remaining grateful. Being grateful for the things you have will have a tremendous impact on you. So for your sake, count your blessings whenever you can. The law of attraction is truly one of the keys to unlocking life's very own potential. Start out slowly and give yourself time. Make sure that you keep the positive thoughts flowing and keep working in the same direction. In less than no time, you'd be ready for so much more. The very essence of the law of attraction is just waiting to be harnessed. It's your call at the end of the day.